Okay, the next question is from Dwayne Carter. Hello, I want to thank you for the videos that you provide us. Very informative. But I have a question that I haven't seen an answer to on your videos. Me and my girlfriend were stopped at a red light for about 5 to 10 seconds, and we got rear-ended by a truck. The liability is clear because in the police report, the driver stated he wasn't paying attention. Now, my question is, we have been treating since January of 2022, and she just finished her treatment about 2 weeks ago, and I'm still treating for medical issues. So can she settle her half of the case, or does she have to wait for me to finish treating? Okay, that's a good question. Yeah. Well, I think that, each of you could settle at different times. You don't have to wait. One person doesn't have to wait for the other. In a case like that, where it's clear liability on the truck, right? You guys were stopped for like up to 10 seconds. So she's not suing you and you're not suing her, right? So you're both suing the truck, the owner and the operator of the truck, right? So you're like what's known as united in interest, right? It's clear. You're both going against the truck. Now the truck has insurance, right? And they'll have a per person limit and a per accident limit. So each of you can get compensation. So if the lawyer feels like her injuries are a certain value and he or she wants to try to settle her case and she's all done treating, she's not going to have any more surgeries, and the lawyer's ready to settle her case, meaning her case is ripe for settlement, the lawyer can go ahead and do it. As long as they understand that later on, and they should put the carrier on notice, the insurance company for the truck on notice, that there's this other person, and then the other person being yourself is still getting treatment, and then they'll be settling as well. But they don't have to, she doesn't have to wait for you. There's no reason to do that. She could settle right away.